crown our provincial champions from Region 2, Apong Cagayan. Playing superb all tournament long, made a bounce back win, back-to-back blowout games. Congratulations once again, Apong Cagayan. Like to interview Coach, Head Coach po. Coach, kausapin ko lang kayo saglit. Coach, una sa lahat, congratulations. Ang dami nung pinagdaanan dito. How would you describe this feeling kayo ang provincial?
Unang-una, gusto ko magpasalamat sa aming big boss, at Antonio at kay Boss D, Ma'am Criselda Antonio, and of course sa aming big boss, head coach, Coach Alvin Pua. Pinaghandaan namin to sa lahat ng mga Cagayanos, Region 2, para sa atin to.
Coach, mamaya, hindi pa tapos ang trabaho nyo. 50% down. Mamaya, national champions. Andre Ugat, really part of that team. Paano nyo paghahandaan to? Alam kong gusto nyo mag-celebrate. Di ba? Anong strategy?
Siguro, isa-isang game lang muna. Of course, bibigyan namin sila ng magandang laro. Whatever happens, champion pa rin kami.
Apong Cagayan will face Makabagong San Juan for the Battle of Champions in the under 18 division. Next natin, under 21 naman. Magbabalik po kami.
Ligan ng